Hi, hello all, welcome back to Vaanga Neenga Naan Olayan Suthalam YouTube channel. I'm your senthilkumararaja. Thanks for watching my last video, robot video, and an unexpected move from the robo. Even I thought robo not get angry. First time I have seen when my son is playing with the robo, this robo suddenly got angry. That was amazing. Okay, fine, I come to the point why I'm holding this firecrackers in my hand. Of course, my friends, this is the Deepavali festival time. It's a very famous festival in India. So I am not going to play with the firecrackers, but I am going to show you making the Deepavali festival famous dessert, which is nothing but Athirasam. Athirasam is one of the most famous traditional dessert in South India. In all the homes they make this Athirasam very well. So that is it. I am going to show you how to make today, and it has less ingredients, but it's take too much time. The preparation time, it's take high volume, so that is only one thing. So soaking the rice and getting the consistency jaggery, it's too difficult. So I watch the video till the end. Definitely you will understand. You can also make the perfect Athirasam in your home. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's go. Hi friends, so what we need for making Athirasam, the basic ingredients is rice. So rice, you can use it any rice, that's not a matter. The thing actually, you need to soak it for more than 24 hours. That will be great, so you get the like a soft, it's almost get break even if you touch it with your fingers. So you can see it here. So, and we need jaggery, and also we need the ghee, sesame seeds and cardamom, and for frying we need cooking oil, and we need gingerly oil for the moisture not get out. So that is the reason I am using the gingerly oil. So these are the things. Actually now I am going to drain the water out, then I am going to put it in a dry cloth to drain the water completely out. Then I am going to make a powder. Use this kind of towel to drain the water out from the rice. That's the main thing. The rice is barely sticking on my fingers, on my palm. You can see here. So this is the right consistency, so we can start ground this rice. So you should not exceed this limit, then you won't get the exact the recipe. So try to check this one. You can see here my palm, it's barely sticking on my palm. So this is the right consistency. You need to start grinding the rice. Give a press, so that will work. So now I am adding the jaggery on the pan. You need to make the small pieces that really works well. Then add 1 cup of water. I have taken a 1 kilo jaggery, so I'm using a 1 cup. That's enough. You should not add more water. This much more than enough. And very short time it will be start boiling, and I know there is a plenty of bubbles coming on top of that. So you can see here, there's so many bubbles. This is string consistency we will call. So string consistency, if you're not experienced, don't touch with your finger, it's really hot. So use a bowl with the water, and you have to make inside the jaggery, you need to press it. You can feel like a ball. So this kind of ball, this is perfect consistency. So this is the right one. Now I'm adding the flour in the jaggery. So you have to keep stirring, otherwise it get lumps. So then I need to grease it with the pan, because once the mixer is ready, so I'm going to transfer into the pan. So that's why I'm increasing everywhere. While pulling the mixer, so it's really hot, so you should not touch. So finally we came to the end part, so it's almost ready. You can see here, still the moisture is here, only the quantity is reduced last 2 days. Okay, we will start making now. So now we are going to fry this one. So friends, the batter is ready. It's almost 2 days over now, still it's pretty good. So we're going to make this final Athirasam. Before that, you know what you have to do. You need to take this small balls and keep it on the clean flame and just apply the ghee on the bottom of the clean flame. So why I'm doing this, because it's not get sticky, that is the reason. So all you need to do, just make it flat, and if you want to make a hole in the center, you can just make a hole and put the sesame on top of that for garnish purpose, nothing else. And pretty much, you know, everyone using this, or if you want you can use that, or if you don't want, just leave it. And you can make a flat like this. You need no need to any cutter or anything, or just like this. So it's very pretty easy one. It's look amazing. Hi, hello friends, I hope you like the video how to make the Athirasam. So please try in your home, definitely it will come nice. Even if it's not come, please don't disappoint. You can try the next time, definitely it will come nice. So please follow as per my instruction, definitely it will come nice. As per the consistency, sugar syrup is the most important thing, so please don't forget that. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. And one more thing, I just want to tell you, next video we're going to see the biggest dinosaurs museum in Sweden. Yes, we're going to see the dinosaurs. Exactly, it's like dead animals, but they're keeping the skull and skeleton in the museum. It's so amazing. So don't you also come and see that museum, definitely you will like it. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Till then, I am your senthilkumararaja. Love you all. Stay with Vanga Ninga Naan Udaram Suppalaam. Now this is the time we're going to play with the firecrackers. Today is the Diwali. Happy Diwali. I love you all.